Hola my beauties, welcome or welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hello, my name is Gurishq Kaur, and as you read by the title already, today we are trying out some expensive, dude, these snacks are expensive, some expensive internationally popular snacks, Cheetos, Takis, the Cheetos, red pasta and everything. So we're trying out all that, and it's like this kind of video I've never really done, trying out snacks and trying out like food items of sorts on my channel. But well, if I'm being very honest, today I had a really bad shoot day and I was just like about to wash this makeup but I realized I should at least get in like one video to feel good about the fact that I had put on a full face of makeup. So well, I had this big box of Amazon come in. I have 3 international snacks right here that I've never ever tried before. I'm certainly looking forward to it. They're actually very expensive, dude, I guess. One packet of Cheetos is like 500-550, the flaming hot red Cheetos thing. So yeah, definitely got to try. Like, are these snacks really worth the hype and worth the price? So I have like 2 chips, munchie sort of snacks and 1 pasta. So I'll preferably start with the munchies, and I'm really looking forward to digging into this flaming hot Cheetos. Like, I guess हम सभी international YouTubers को follow करते हैं and सबने देखा है, and they look very tempting, but I've never tried that. I have seen this बड़ी बार, I guess 24/7 वगैरह में, but it's so expensive that I never really picked it up. And this is बिल्कुल वो 4 AM Amazon पे कुछ भी when you're adding to your cart while you're shopping. So that is that. Alright, I'm going to open it and see मेरी Indian taste buds को ये American snack है, and it's supposed to be flaming hot crunchy, but then again it's supposed to be flaming hot from an American standard because it's a American snack, and it says made with real cheese. So let's just begin right now. Oh, they look so red, like the food color wala fake red, like very fake red. Everybody knows this is not allspice. Like hamara kurkure is allspice and not really as much color at least. This is all food color, I can tell you already. That's good. Not bad actually. Well, it's very obvious that kurkure is a copy of originally these, but definitely not like flaming hot and my mouth is not burning. It's a very average spice level for an Indian. It's a very easily snackable snack, like hamara Indians ka spice level, like it most certainly is a lot superior to Americans, but then interesting. But this is the kind of snack, like I'm watching a show or a movie, I would love to really snack on this because the flavor is not like too much. It's just good and yum. It's not too spicy at all. It's इतना spice तो हमारे किसी भी basic normal snack में होता है. So to call it flaming hot is not accurate as per Indian standards, but it's a good snack however. Now this is the one that I've been really looking forward to. I have wanted to try this for so long. This was very expensive. I'll mention it on the screen. But bro, it's supposed to have this turquoise blue color. It's Takis Blue Heat Hot Chili Pepper, artificially flavored tortilla chips, and yeah, that's pretty much about it. It's supposed to be the hottest flavor if I'm not wrong. Oh boy, they Americans are like obsessed with their food color or what? This is bright turquoise blue. Can you see that? This is bright turquoise blue. Damn. It smells like something sour. Something sour and nice. This is what it looks like. Such a beauty blogger thing to do. The crunch on both of these are amazing, just by the way. Heat से ज़्यादा it's sour. तो वो जो sour, salty and sour flavor, that's amazing. This one definitely has a little more heat as compared to the Cheetos Flaming Hot. But this is like a good heat. It's not like much spicy. It's just, I guess after having a few of them, you can feel slight heat, but like on its own, like one by one, it's not really hot. What I love is the flavor profile. It's khatta. It's very, very sour and it has flavor. Like that had very mild flavor. This has a lot of flavor. I love this. But it's like the blue is a little too much for me. Do I have blue teeth or what? My tongue is blue, guys, like pura proper blue. My hands are blue. It could get messy if you're wearing like a really nice outfit or whatever. The blue tongue is actually funny. So इसमें भर के food color है. But other than that, the taste is so good and दोनों का crunch is a very, very fresh crunch. I can't really explain. It's very nice and crunchy. In my opinion, दोनों definitely बहुत महंगे हैं. हमें Indians को बहुत महंगे पड़ते हैं at least. These are the original products. Fake या कुछ नहीं है. But it's just that बहुत महंगे पड़ते हैं. अगर इतने महंगे नहीं होते तो I would तो definitely get so many more of these, especially Takis. So are beautiful. I so love them. Like Cheetos is still like something I've had before. This is unlike something I've had before and it's very, very nice. Alright, so I'm back with the third snack. However, I just realized that one fan in the room was running. So I'm sorry if there was much of a voice disturbance. Very, very sorry for that. Okay, so I made the mac and cheese. Basically, it's out, it's hot. Okay, so it's Cheetos pasta, I mean. It's supposed to be the peri peri flaming hot flavor. Oh boy, do Americans love their food color. Like this is the most red edible thing that I've ever seen. And if I'm being very honest, this does not look very appetizing, but let's just dig in, you know. So it does taste like the Cheetos snack version, but more bland. Like seasoning is na ke barabar. I don't really like this, honestly. Yeah, I don't really like this. The other two snacks, however, were beautiful. This not so much. I am going to finish it up and not waste any food, but regardlessly, this was a miss from my end. Alright, and that was all for today's video. Let me know in the comments below which is your favorite international snack or fancy snack or snack that you don't mind splurging on, and I might give it a try. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you had fun. Goodbye, beauties.